Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAT tutorials how to get menu bar. To get menu bar in ZWCAT, you can use menu bar command. You can tap menu bar, press enter, and then we need to use 1 for value, press enter again. So it will be automatically appear menu bar in the top of your drawing area. To hide again, you can tap menu bar, press enter, and then set value into 0, press enter again. So menu bar will be automatically hide. Okay, that's it. How to get menu bar in ZWCAT. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.